Nice guys, we got our Delta Executor for free. As you can see, thank you for using Delta. And guys, we got it online. So if we check, we will see that we got also Forge Hub and NICUs. Hey other people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got the latest Delta Executor for my Roblox absolutely free, safe and online. And guys, without downloading any modded APKs or any software. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you everything step by step how you can get this online. And guys, then we will test it. Does it actually work? So you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices, or even you can do it with your PC. So guys, for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily and click on Delta Executor tool. So guys, there we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your account and on roblox.com, go to your user account, copy your profile URL, and let's get back to the tool. So guys, when you copy your URL, just click here on this paste button and it will automatically scrape only your user ID. So just click continue when you enter your user ID, and it should search for your account and find you. So guys, that's it. You should get user found message, and guys, there we go. We got our account connected. It's my name and it's my avatar. So guys, now we will have to import newest updated Delta Executor to our account. So just click here, and now it's optional, but if you want, you can select this and select all the scripts you want to get installed on your Delta Executor. I will select Forge Hub and NICUs. These two scripts are the best for me, and it works for Blocks Forge, for Fish, for Dead Rails, for almost all scripts. So just select this is by my choice and click continue. So guys, let's wait for these third steps to load up. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. I will record it more, so yeah. And guys, nice, API is connected and our activation key for Delta Executor is generated, but it's unrevealed, guys. So we'll have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, and guys, it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our newest updated Delta Executor. So guys, we will have a list of 6 free tasks and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can download games, you can complete questionnaires, you can download apps, and guys, it's all free and from the official publishers. So how you do it? I will download Domino Dreams and Playful Rewards. You download on this way, click free, click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So as I said, it's all from the official publishers and it's free, so you don't have to worry. And guys, one more important step is to follow their instructions. So for Domino Dreams, I will install it, open and complete chapter 5, and for Playful Rewards, I will download, install this, then play 3 games for 5 minutes each. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, Domino Dreams and Playful Rewards. As I said, I have completed their instructions and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. It should redirect us every single second, so I won't skip this video, and let's see, will we? Nice guys, there we go. Verification successful, user ID connected, and our Delta Executor key is connected. As you can see, we got it revealed now. So guys, as I said, the last step is to open our Roblox and to test our Delta Executor along our 2 pre-selected scripts. So let's open Blocks Rates, for example, and let's see, does it actually work? I will rotate my phone. So let's see. Let's click on whatever, Marines, and let's see now. So Nice, guys, we got our Delta Executor for free. As you can see, thank you for using Delta. And guys, we got it online. So if we check, we will see that we got also Forge Hub and NICUs. And guys, you can do literally whatever you like here. So let's click on NICUs to execute, and let's see will we actually get this script. So as you can see, we got all these amazing features for free, guys, as we selected. So we got Delta Executor and we got our scripts for free. So guys, there we go. Please pre-select the scripts, Forge Hub and NICUs. So guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And see you next video. Bye.